the healthiest botanical ingredients. 7 ingredients esteemed by ancient indigenous peoples for their healing powers and proven effective by the latest science. Each refined to its most essential beneficial components through a proprietary extraction process and fused together using cutting-edge extraction technology. X-Fuse brings you 7+, the best of modern supplemental extraction science combined with the best of nature. The story of 7+ begins with a team of experts in nutrition and business professionals, great minds that came together with a singular purpose to create the world's most effective, beneficial product. The team understood that they couldn't simply combine raw juice or attempt to blend their concentrates. That wouldn't enable them to include enough of any one active beneficial ingredient. So they researched and developed a unique extraction process to distill the essence from each ingredient. Then, they combined the extractions through a proprietary fusion technology for maximum bioavailability and effectiveness.
So what X-Fuse literally means is we've taken the best of science and the best of nature and fused them together. Extracts fused together.
Best of science and the best of nature, all in a proprietary delivery system, brings you maximum nutrition to the body.
When you ingest 7+, the digestion and the absorption process begins almost immediately.
Dr. Marcus Kuipers, author, physician, and member of X-Fuse's Science Advisory Board.
While in their raw natural form, the nutritionally relevant components are in large particles and locked up in complex molecular bundles. The extraction process removes what you don't need, and that means the particles are smaller. And because they're smaller, the likelihood that they can be absorbed by the cells increases dramatically. Plus, the technology that fuses those extracts together creates a delivery system that enables the nutrients to easily reach cells as part of your body's natural regenerative hydration process. It's science, making your body work more effectively to heal and maintain itself with a nutrient-rich, highly bioavailable superfood in the best sense of the word.
The healthiest foods on earth, proven through centuries of use and hundreds of hours of laboratory testing, unique extraction processes, and a proprietary delivery system.
This delivery system is the best way to get all the goodness of those fruits to the cells of your body. There's simply nothing else like it.
Explore the power of 7+.
One of the things that we discovered after the pharmaceutical companies began to make compressed tablets and pills and capsules, they began to do what's called bioavailability studies, and they actually looked into the stomach and saw that a lot of these compounds under tremendous pressure and under these capsules don't dissolve very readily. So what we found is when we eat food, we chew our food and literally until it becomes a liquid, and then we swallow it and it goes into our digestive system. So any strategy that puts food compounds and nutrition in a liquid format has a much better opportunity to get bioavailability, more food into the bloodstream so it can do the job that it is designed to do. We've been looking at extract and extraction technology for decades now, and the advantage is we're able to technologically take an organic food, vine ripen, and apply technology to it and literally remove the water, remove any excess sugars, and remove the excess fiber, and maintain the entire integrity of that plant in a highly concentrated dry powder format. And then we can formulate multiple extracts to get the exact combinations that we need to get the therapeutic responses that we're looking for. Changes in physiology of those food components. And it just allows us to get way more concentration than you could do even by eating massive quantities of food. Well, we Got over 100 years of experience with the design and development and the clinical research on using extracts. No other company's got this kind of an experience base. Plus, we've patented our own extraction processes and our own extracts. So in our products, they become very proprietary. No other company could duplicate our extraction and product development technology. Everybody on planet Earth, because of that compromised food supply, needs a great source of nutritional supplementation, and X-Fuse represents the leading edge of the greatest nutritional supplements in the world. Even if healthy, and I've worked for decades in the professional athletic market, and you would think professional athletes, they've got multi-million-dollar contracts, they can literally get anything they want. All of those athletes today are supplementing. So whether you're extremely unhealthy with a serious health challenge or you're a world-class athlete, you need nutritional supplementation in the 21st century.